What's up everyone, it's B here. And let's be real, who doesn't want to be their own boss and rake in some serious cash? Today we're diving headfirst into the world of importing, a proven path to financial freedom if you play your cards right. Importing might seem intimidating at first, like some big complex puzzle, but trust me, once you break it down step by step, it's totally doable. Whether you're hustling in the USA or killing it in the UK, this video is your ultimate guide to navigating the ins and outs of importing like a pro. We're talking finding killer products, sourcing them from the right suppliers, and getting them into the hands of eager customers without getting bogged down in legal headaches. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge to transform your entrepreneurial dreams into a reality. Let's get started. All right, before you even think about cargo ships and customs forms, you got to figure out what you're going to sell. This is make or break, people. Remember those fidget spinners that were everywhere for like 5 minutes? Someone made a killing importing those, but it was short-lived. You want something with staying power. First things first, jump on Google Trends. This tool is like a crystal ball, showing you what's hot and what's not. See what people are searching for, what's trending upwards. Next up, Amazon bestsellers, another gold mine. See what's flying off the virtual shelves. Pay attention to categories, see what catches your eye. Don't forget about TikTok. Yeah, seriously, that platform can make things go viral overnight. Okay, you've got your killer product, now you need to find someone to make it. This is where Alibaba and global sources come in, your new best friends. These websites are like massive online marketplaces where you can connect with manufacturers all over the world. Don't just jump on the first supplier you find, though. Do your due diligence, request samples, always. You need to see the quality firsthand. Is it up to your standards? Is it something you'd be proud to put your name on? Once you've found a few potential winners, it's time to negotiate. All right, let's talk about the not-so-sexy but oh-so-important part, import laws and regulations. I know it's not as exciting as picking out product colors, but trust me, this stuff can make or break your business. First up, the USA. If you want to import anything into the land of the free, you need to register with US Customs and Border Protection, or CBP for short. You'll also need an importer number, which is basically your tax ID number from the IRS. Make sure to check if your product requires any special approvals from the FDA or FCC. Nobody wants their shipment held up at customs because they didn't file the right paperwork. Now, for our friends across the pond in the UK, you'll need to register for an EORI number. That stands for Economic Operator Registration and Identification. Chapter 4. Shipping and Customs Smooth Sailing Ahead. All right, you've got your product, found a supplier, and navigated the legal maze. Now it's time to get those babies shipped and through customs without a hitch. First things first, you need to choose the right shipping method. Air freight is like the Ferrari of shipping, fast but pricey. Sea freight, on the other hand, is like the trusty cargo ship. Slower but way more affordable, especially for large shipments. Once you've figured out your transportation, it's time to call in the big guns, a customs broker. These guys are like the Sherpas of the import world. They know all the ins and outs of customs regulations, handle all the paperwork, and make sure your shipment sails through customs without a hitch. Trust me, their fees are worth every penny. Chapter 5. Show me the money. Selling your products. Okay, your products have landed, they've cleared customs. Now it's time for the fun part, selling them and making that sweet, sweet profit. The good news is, there are more options than ever before. Let's start with the 800-pound gorilla in the room. Amazon FBA, short for Fulfillment by Amazon. This service lets you store your products in Amazon's massive warehouses, and they handle all the packing, shipping, and customer service for you. It's a great option if you're just starting out or don't want to deal with the hassle of fulfilling orders yourself. If you're feeling a bit more entrepreneurial and want more control over your brand, building your own website on a platform like Shopify is the way to go. You can customize your online store to your heart's content, run targeted ads, and build a loyal customer base. Chapter 6. Level up! Scaling your import empire. Congratulations, you've successfully launched your import business, but the journey doesn't stop there. Now it's time to think about scaling your business and taking it to the next level. One way to do that is to expand your product range. Look for complementary products that your existing customers would love. For example, if you're selling phone cases, why not offer screen protectors or charging cables as well? Another key to scaling is optimizing your logistics. As your order volume grows, you need to make sure you can keep up. Negotiate better rates with shipping companies, explore different warehousing options, and streamline your fulfillment process. Outro, you got this! Time to start importing! And there you have it, folks. The complete blueprint for starting and scaling a profitable import business in the USA and UK. Remember, it all starts with a solid product, a reliable supplier, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Don't get overwhelmed by the details. Take it one step at a time, do your research, and don't be afraid to ask for help along the way. There are tons of resources available online and in your community to support you on your entrepreneurial journey. So, what are you waiting for? The world of importing is waiting for you. Get out there, crush it, and make those dreams a reality. And hey, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, and let me know in the comments what you're planning to import. See you in the next video.